Without relying on tricks or gimmicks, we will explore the power of self-confidence and body language, as well as discuss the importance of being authentic and genuine in order to make a meaningful connection. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you are going to see 15 things women do when they are attracted to a man. 5. Find your talent. Everyone loves people who do great things. You may have a talent or inclination for something you don't understand yet, so find out. Even if it's not something as classic as playing an instrument, honing your talents and spending time with people with similar interests is a good chance to meet girls who like the same things you do. It is never too late to learn something new. Drawing is something you learn and perfect over time. It doesn't have to be an innate skill. 4. Demonstrate enthusiasm. Don't be the guy who spends the weekend at home eating fried onions and playing video games. There is nothing wrong with being introspective, but it is important to do interesting things at least once in a while. Start by writing a book or learning an art form. If you feel comfortable getting out of the house and interacting with people, do it. Join a club, go hiking, volunteer. There are so many great options out there. You want to talk about something with the girls, right? If you want to play video games, fine, but try to be the best and win the competitions. Before you go to the next topic, please leave your like. So, did you? Then let's go to the next topic. 3. Treat everyone well. Rude and disrespectful behavior with people will only make you repel women. Even if you are nice to the girls you date, but are a jerk to everyone else, they will notice this disgusting behavior. Be nice to people. Women will see this as your natural way of life. 2. Be a hero. Being a girl's hero doesn't mean that she can't take care of herself, it's just a matter of always being there for her. Give her emotional support after a hard day and help her find a solution to a problem. When she asks you for advice, tell her what you think without judging or criticizing. Find ways to make your life easier and achieve your goals. 1. Have personality. Set trends instead of following them. Girls like nice guys. Try to be independent and show your own personality, don't copy what others are doing. We have come to the end of another video. If this video helped you in any way, comment now here below. Subscribe to our channel, we have new videos every day. Leave your like, activate the little bell. See you in the next video.